Imagine coming to work every day and being stressed by your boss. We desire to earn money online for a variety of reasons, one of which is to eliminate the latter. Without further ado, I'm going to show you an amazing website that has the potential to help you earn as much as $500 online. It's absolutely free and available worldwide. So stay tuned and keep watching because I'll be providing you with a variety of supplementary resources and free tools to help you get started. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. Let's return to the video now. I'd like you to check out this website page on Amazon.com, but it's now in the Kindle Books area. If you look down here, you'll note that a number of people are selling ebooks for $4.99 and $3.99 on this website. And as I go down further, I can see that there are a lot of more Kindle ebooks for sale, some even for $13.99. Take a look at this one, which has over 1,800 reviews after individuals purchased this Kindle ebooks. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the online calculator, where one Kindle ebook costs $13.99 and has 2,707 persons interested in acquiring it. You can see that by releasing only one Kindle ebook, such as this one, you've made almost $37,000. You don't need any prior experience or money to get started. All you have to do is copy and paste and use a one-size-fits-all template, which I'll show you in today's video. ThisMe.co is the second website I'd like you to check out. This platform enables you and me to generate incredibly appealing and professional Kindle books like this one, which we can sell for a large profit without any prior knowledge. So, the first step is to select a ready-made template, and there are plenty to choose from. So, stick with me for the rest of the video because I'll show you how to do it in real life. Step 2. After you've chosen a ready-to-use design, you can tweak it to your liking. You can, for example, alter the background, text size, font color, and much everything else. Step 3 is to get these ebooks for free and publish them on Amazon. So stay tuned because I'm really happy to inform you about this incredible possibility right now. I want you to go ahead and click on this blue button right here, and you'll be transported to this page where you can create a free account from anywhere in the globe and start writing your ebooks. It's really simple. All you have to do is provide your name and email address. There are many documents available, as you can see if you scroll down below, including reports, proposals, resumes, cover letters, and so on. We'll go over here and look for this one, ebooks. So you can see your ebooks. When you click the ebooks button, you'll have a variety of templates to pick from, all of which are quite professional and very attractive. As you can see by scrolling down, your template has hundreds of options that you can simply click on and everything will be done for you automatically, saving you time and money. As you can see on the Kindle ebook page, you may sell a variety of emails, such as arts and photography, business and money, education and teaching, and so on. However, I recommend that you concentrate on your health, exercise, and diet because this is the most lucrative category, meaning you may make a lot of money online with little competition. Before we go any further, I'll give you a few minutes to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you liked the video so far. Please leave a comment if you found this video entertaining and informative. We will search for a template that's ideal for this type of categories now that you've decided on the area we'll focus on, health and fitness. If you wish to use this template, it's highly professional and suited for the health and fitness industry, as you can see. You can see what I'm talking about and what's inside the template if I click this preview button right here. Take a look at some more cover photographs as an example. Scroll down to see all of the pages included in this template. They're all intended to teach people how to lose weight and which foods they should consume. This template contains a wealth of material on this subject, and it's effectively a completed booklet that you can copy and paste after you've decided this is the template for you. All you have to do now is to go into the page and click on this blue button to use it. And as you can see, you can tweak and alter whatever you want on this new page. One of the reasons I enjoy it so much is that they provide you a professional and beautiful ebook cover photo. So if you're talking about calories, for example, a decent diet plan, there are literally pages and pages of information that you can copy and paste and sell on Amazon. If you don't like something on this page right now, you can double-click it, as well as the text, and alter the font size, bold lead, underlying lead, text color, and any other adjustments you like. The good news is that everything is done for you, so you can add your name or a nickname right here. So let's say you want to change the ebook's title and make some other changes. Once you're satisfied, simply go to the top of the page and select the download option, which you can do on your phone or computer. We're using freeplrdownloads.com as our resource. This website basically contains a big number of bad deeds that you can easily copy and paste and download for free. And as you can see, there are other categories. So for the time being, we'll concentrate on health. You can go to this category of health by clicking on this health plan here, and you can find literally hundreds of different ebooks or done-for-you Kindle ebooks that you can download for free if you scroll down below. Take for example this particular booklet. Simply click on this ebook to be directed to this page. Continue scrolling down to see a blue download button, which is located right here in this instance. You can now download this for free using your phone or computer by clicking the download button, creating an account if you don't already have one, and signing up for an account if you don't already have one. Once you've downloaded all of the health category ebooks, you can start selling them on Amazon and making a lot of money. You can acquire your ebooks from freeplrdownloads.com once you've downloaded them from visme.co. After you've finished writing an ebook, the following step is to upload it to Amazon. So, for the time being, we'll be using Kindle Direct Publishing. You may go to kdp.amazon.com and begin publishing your own ebooks, exactly like this one, and begin earning money. As you can see, you can bring your book to market rapidly because publishing takes only 5 minutes and your Kindle store may be viewed from anywhere in the world in as little as 24 hours. If you don't already have an Amazon account, simply go to this page and click the sign up button right here. You'll be taken to this page where you can log into your account if you do. Now, if you're completely new to Amazon, you can scroll down here and see new to KDP, which is where you can create your KDP account. Simply enter your name, email, password, and confirm your password. Then click Create KDP Account, and you'll be taken to this page where you can create your KDP account. From there, you can begin publishing your inbox by uploading them to Amazon, where they will begin selling them automatically. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video, and I'll see you there.